Is your BMW Z3's alarm randomly going off? The most common culprits are faulty door hood switches and a weak battery. These Z3s, made from 1996 to 2002, often suffer from wear and tear. First, test your battery's voltage. It should be above 12.4 volts. Low voltage can trigger false alarms. Next, inspect the door and hood switches. These magnetic switches can become misaligned or corroded. Use a multimeter to check for continuity. Resistance should be near zero when closed and infinite when open. Clean any debris with contact cleaner. Addressing these components resolves the majority of Z3 alarm issues. If your switches and battery are fine, the interior motion sensor might be the problem. It can be overly sensitive, especially to temperature changes or pets. Try temporarily disabling it via the alarm control unit to see if that stops the false alarms. If so, adjust the sensitivity or consider replacing the sensor. To reset the alarm system, try cycling the ignition 10 times or disconnecting the battery for about 10 minutes. If problems persist after these checks, a modern OBD2 scanner with Z3-specific modules can help pinpoint the exact fault code. For persistent issues, consider upgrading to an aftermarket alarm system for long-term reliability.